Speak Up English, the key to success.
Ugh, I really don't want to go to school anymore.
What? Are you serious? What's going on?
I dunno, Emma. I'm just over it. The classes, the homework, the same routine every day. It's all so boring.
I get it. School can be a drag sometimes. But what's making you feel this way all of a sudden?
I think it's just everything. I feel like I'm not learning anything useful, you know? And the pressure, it's too much.
Yeah, the pressure can be tough. But you're smart, Alex. You're doing great, even if it doesn't feel like it right now.
Thanks, but it's hard to stay motivated when I'm not even sure why I'm doing all this. Like, what's the point?
Well, the point is to learn stuff, right? But I know what you mean. Sometimes it feels like we're just jumping through hoops.
Exactly. It's like I'm just going through the motions. I don't even know if what I'm studying will help me in the real world.
That's a fair point. But think about it, school's not just about the books. It's about learning how to think, how to deal with people, and all that stuff.
I guess. But it's still so frustrating. I just want to do something that feels real, you know?
I hear ya. Maybe you just need a break or a change of perspective. Have you talked to anyone about how you're feeling?
I haven't really talked to anyone. I mean, what would I even say? Hey, I'm tired of school and want to quit. That's not exactly gonna go over well with my parents.
Yeah, I can see that. But maybe you don't have to say it like that. You could tell them you're feeling burnt out and need a break or a different approach.
Maybe. But I'm not sure they'd understand. They always say stuff like, school's important, and you need an education.
Well, they're not wrong. But it's also important to be happy and motivated. Maybe you could try something new, like a hobby or activity that makes you excited about learning again.
That's a good idea. I've been thinking about taking up photography. It's something I've always wanted to try, and it might give me a new way to see things.
That sounds awesome. Photography can be a great way to express yourself and maybe even connect with your schoolwork in a different way. Like, you could do a project or something.
Yeah, I could see that. Maybe it would make things feel less pointless. At least I'd be doing something creative.
Exactly. And who knows, you might discover a passion that makes you want to keep going. Sometimes it just takes finding that one thing that clicks.
You're right. I guess I just need to shake things up a bit and not give up completely.
That's the spirit. Don't let the boredom win. You've got so much potential, Alex. Don't let school bring you down.
Thanks, Emma. I feel a little better talking to you about it. Maybe I'll give photography a shot and see where it takes me.
I'm glad I could help. And hey, if you ever want to chat or need a model for your photos, you know where to find me.
Haha, thanks. I'll definitely keep that in mind.
So, what's the plan now? You gonna talk to your parents about all this?
Yeah, I think I will. I'll tell them how I'm feeling and that I want to try something new, like photography, to keep myself motivated.
That sounds like a solid plan. And remember, you don't have to make it sound like you're given up on school, just that you're looking for a way to make it more meaningful for you.
Exactly. I'll explain that I'm not trying to quit. I just need to find a way to make it work for me. Hopefully, they'll understand.
I'm sure they will. They care about you and want what's best for you. Just be honest, and they'll appreciate that you're taking charge of your own happiness.
Yeah, you're right. It's just a little scary, you know? But I guess it's better than keeping it all bottled up.
Totally. And if things get tough, just remember you've got friends like me to back you up. You're not alone in this.
Thanks, Emma. You've been a big help. I'm feeling more confident about talking to them now.
Anytime, Alex. And hey, once you get started with photography, I want to see those photos. I bet they'll be amazing.
Haha, I'll make sure to show you. Maybe I'll even start a little photo blog or something. Could be fun.
That sounds like a blast. I'm excited to see where this takes you. Who knows, this could be the start of something big.
Let's hope so. I'm ready to give it a shot and see what happens. Thanks again, Emma. I really appreciate you listening and helping me figure things out.
Anytime, Alex. That's what friends are for, right? Now, go have that talk, and let's see where this new adventure takes you.
Will do. Wish me luck.
Good luck, Alex. You've got this.